Hello friends and welcome back. I am here with a review from Octoly Skeepers and The Ordinary. This was gifted to me for review. I received this product complimentary to show you guys how awesome this product works on the skin. This is The Ordinary Natural Moisturizer. I am going to put a link below to the product so you guys can get all of your questions answered. This is a gel moisturizer, which I'm going to show you guys. I'm just opening it. It does target dryness, but it is suitable for all skin types. This is a lightweight moisturizer with moisturizing factors plus beta glucan. You can get this at the links below from The Ordinary. You can get it from Ulta. So how it says to use it is apply a small amount to the face morning and evening. If you have any irritation, definitely stop. Use only as directed and don't use on already irritated or broken skin, okay? It is all day hydration, helps strengthen your skin barrier, and it has a lightweight gel texture, which I like. So right now, I'm using this at night. So I'm going to sleep in it. I'm going to come back in the morning and I'm going to use it in the morning with my makeup because you know whether you're oily or dry, you are still supposed to moisturize. And I want to see how this does with my makeup. So I have rubbed this in and stay tuned. Okay, guys, so here it is the next morning. My face felt fine when I woke up. I did use some witch hazel, wash my face to get a fresh face. And you see me here using the witch hazel after I wash my face. And now I am going to go in and use the moisturizer again to apply it under my makeup. I'm not going to do a lot, just a little dab there. I'm going to rub it in my hands just to warm it up just a little bit. And then I'm going to apply it in an upward motion. I try to remember to go upward. We don't want to drag our face down. And apply it in a upward motion. And then I am going to let it dry so I can put on my makeup. So the beta glucan is like a chain of sugar-like molecules that can be found in yeast and fungi, and it is sourced from fresh mushrooms. This is what they use in the product. And then it has other natural moisturizers like mimic water and other compounds to help your skin stay moisturized. It creates a natural moisture barrier, which helps the skin to stay hydrated throughout the day. So we're going to see. Your steps for this is cleansers, toners, then your water-based serums, then your eye serums, then your oils, and then your suspensions, and then your moisturizers, which is where this comes in. So I have put it on. I have dried it. I am now using a powder, going in with my regular makeup routine, using a powder. And then I'm going to go in with my Milk of Magnesia primer. And then I'm going to go in to do my face. All right, so I'm getting my foundation ready and I'm going to go ahead and apply my foundation and go ahead and beat this face, as they say. And I'm going to go to work and I will come back and let you guys know how it did. The weather here is cool in the mornings, hot afternoon, back cool in the evenings, in case you're interested in that. So yeah, we're going to see how it plays well. I'm using two different foundations today because I had to mix colors. So this is definitely going to be a test of how this moisturizer plays well with makeup. Now it is very lightweight. I don't feel it at all. And it is supposed to be supporting surface hydration. So we're going to see if that makes a difference. So you guys stay tuned and I'll be back. Once again, it's ideal for all skin types. It is a non-greasy formula and is particularly beneficiary for those with oily and combination skin, which would be me. I'm oily, but I feel like I'm getting to be a little bit combination as my skin changes. But for the most part, I'm oily. All right, so stay tuned, you guys. Oh, I wanted to say you guys would be so proud of me. So I haven't been blogging it. If you want me to, let me know and I'll try. But I made a commitment to myself to wear eyeshadow every single day this year. And I have done it so far. We're in February. I am wearing eyeshadow every single day. Even if it's not 2 and 3 colors, even if it's just a pop of color on my lid, I am using my palettes. I am wearing my eyeshadow every single day. So you guys get ready to see some empty palettes in my empties videos because You see right here, I am putting on my eyeshadow. I am beating myself up, staying on top of myself to not forget to wear my eyeshadow every single day. It is not something that I'm used to, but it is something that I have made a commitment to do. And once I get the single eyeshadows down pat, I guess I'll move into 2 and 3 colors, right, y'all? But yeah, that's what I'm doing. So stay tuned. I'll come back to you guys and let you guys know how everything turned out. All right, friends. So besides being a little oily, it is 4:04 p.m. I've been wearing this makeup all day with the moisturizer. I've tried it with 2 different foundations and it plays very well. So you don't have to worry about this moisturizer with your foundations. I will tell you, I tried it with the Maybelline with a Juvia's Place. What was the other one I mixed in there? Oh, I can't remember the name of the other foundation I mixed in there. But no matter what, it did great. No rolling up, balling up. Once you let the moisturizer settle in, dry down, put your primer on, and then put your makeup on, your face is done for the complete day. As you can see, everything is in place. I didn't have any issues with blending. I didn't have any issues with any type of application with this moisturizer. It is very lightweight, a very lightweight moisturizer. You do not need much, and I can honestly say that I will give this moisturizer a 10 out of 10 all the way around the board. I've used it at night and I've also used it in the morning time, as y'all can see. So definitely gets a plus from me. Don't forget to check out the links, all the links down below regarding the product. If you want to purchase it, look into it, or have any other questions regarding the products, all the links will be down below. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you in the next review. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. All links are listed down below. Once again, the key benefits for this is all day texture and hydration, a strengthened skin barrier, ideal for oily and combination skin, and this is a gel and non-greasy formula. It has amino acids, beta glucan, and ceramides to support your skin barrier. Everything is going to be listed down below. If you guys have any questions about the gel or about my skin routine or anything I did with the moisturizer, let me know. Do not forget to click the links and go follow Skeepers, The Ordinary, and myself, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.